Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power to the heating and cooling system at the breaker. This prevents shocks and preserves equipment. Once off, remove the old thermostat and take a clear photo of every wire and terminal label so you can reference it while installing. Make sure to check for a C-wire. If you lack one, plan to use the Nest power connector or a common wire adapter, because Nest needs stable power to run Wi-Fi and sensors. Now you mount the Nest base. Thread each labeled wire into the corresponding Nest connector. Follow your photo to match R, W, Y, G, and C. Push each wire firmly until the terminal clicks. A loose connection will cause system faults. Once wired, align the base using the built-in bubble level, then fasten with screws into wall anchors or plug holes. Make sure the base is snug and sits flush so the display snaps on cleanly. Power the system back on and watch the Nest boot sequence. It will guide you through Wi-Fi setup, account sign-in, and system identification. Once connected, run the built-in equipment test to energize heating, cooling, and the fan. This confirms each terminal responds. If anything fails, first make sure wires are fully seated, then verify C-wire continuity or use the Nest power connector. If problems persist, reboot the thermostat and recheck your breaker and furnace switch before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.